All right, hello guys, ladies and gentlemen, daddies and mommies, students, okay, of maybe primary six, right? Maybe like let's say even from primary four down to primary six, junior secondary school one, two, three, SS one to three, junior YX students, SSC students, GC, YX candidate, NECO candidate, Jambites, SAT, TOEFL, whatever exam you are preparing to write or maybe you want to learn or whatever, okay, you are all welcome. You are all welcome to this platform. This is Duoco Maths Lab, and it's for me, it's a great privilege for me to give out from what I have been blessed with, okay. Naturally, I love mathematics, okay. So I can be tempted to say I was born with it in a way, kind of like, because I just love mathematics. I remember there was a night, as I was growing up, there was actually a night where I was like, I couldn't just go to bed without calculating. So I was studying, and somewhere along the line, my hand mistakenly hit the lamp that we use it to read. No, those of us from the village, you can test, you can know, can be to tag along, right? No, and my hand mistakenly hit the lamp, and the whole house was almost got set up, with fire, kind of, right? And so my mom quickly came and put it off and all of that. That was to tell you the extent I love mathematics. I just love mathematics. And when I wrote the first WAEC exam, my first SSC exam, I got F9 in mathematics. Something I loved so much. I got F9. But I have to go back and write WAEC again, okay? And somewhere along the line, I was able to get I got B2. Yeah, I got B2 finally in mathematics. Okay, I thought I would even got A1 because I really, I took time to write the exam very well. But on this, all the same, I got B2 in maths, and to God be the glory. All right, guys. Once again, you are welcome. God bless you. This is Dr. Tam K. And obviously, this is going to be awesome. All right, I'm going to be teaching a topic from this book, Fast Fingers Mathematics. Okay, Fast Fingers Mathematics, short math tricks for all learners. Okay, this was actually written by me, like I said earlier on. This was like last year, early last year, I started writing this book. This is volume 1 of it. Okay, by Prof. Tam K, F. Tam K. Okay, that is it. Okay, before I start having the Dr. Tam K to my title, okay, appellation or whatever it is. All right, so it's a nice book. Okay, it's a very nice book. You need to grab for your kids. If you don't have a copy, please order for a copy. Just 2,000 you can get a copy, all right, soft copy, because you are in this class. Outsiders have to pay 5,000 for this volume, all right, for this volume. But for you being in this class right now, listening to me, hearing my voice right now, you have a point to grab this book for just for 2,000 naira. All right, what you do just to send your money across. It says just DM me and say you're interested, and then send your 2,000 across to me, and then I'm going to send you the soft copy to you, and then your kids can actually have it on their laptop, like as I've shown you here, right? Like just like I show you here, you can see this young girl. Okay, you can have a laptop and be learning from home. Yes, nothing stops you from doing that. Okay, so it's nice. You can also have it on your phone. If you don't have a laptop, you can actually have it in your phone and then study through it. Okay, so this is a table of content. The table of content is very nice. We have a chapter 1. You can see that addition of large number. That's what I want to actually start with. So one nice thing about this is that you just click it like this, okay, and then you click follow link. All right, then it will take you straight to the chapter you are looking for. You can see that, right? So this is chapter 1. It will take us there. So when I send it your copy to you, that's going to look like. All right, so it's a very nice book. You just have to pick it up, and then we'll take a look at it, and so that you can follow me as I'm actually going to be teaching from it. All right, now addition of large numbers. Now ordinarily student habits are more like they actually find it so difficult to add numbers very fast. The essence of this book is for the kids to learn very fast. Okay, to learn when the question drop, the answer comes. Okay, I want to build your kids to that extent. Okay, if you're hearing me right now, my intention is to build it so fast. If I student, I'm talking to both parents and students, so that's I'm talking. So I want to see that, okay, you become very fast in your calculations. Is an adult or kids or whatever level you are, you must be very fast in your calculation. So this is the basic. The basics is addition of numbers. All right. So can we quickly do addition of numbers like this? If I give it 23 plus 34, how can you quickly solve it fast? Okay, that's what I'm going to be doing. All right. So stay tuned and let's take a look at the first. I'm going to take like about 3-4 examples, and they're going to be done for today, right? And at the end of the class, I'm going to give an assignment. Okay, so let's follow and see how we can get this done. Okay, follow me closely. All right, so guys, let's do the first method. All right, the first method about of adding numbers together. If you want to add numbers, all right, How do you do that? Okay, so let's apply the first method. Is that clear? So the first method I want to apply is what I call the break into zeros. Okay, break into zeros. That's the first method I want us to look at. Okay, so if I give you numbers, okay, what we're going to do first of all is to, this is why I call it, okay, this is not the way some other place go to, some other person go to call it, but this is what I call it, okay, breaking into zeros method, okay, by Dr. Tam K from Duoco Maths Lab. All right, so all you need to do is to break the numbers into zeros, and you're good to go. So let's say example 1, and let's say we have numbers like 27. Let me start from something little. 27 plus, let's say 20, let's say, okay, let's take something like 39. All right, if I give you values like this, what do you do? Now, normally what students do is to say 27 plus 39, for instance, right? This is what students normally do. And so they say 9 plus 7, 16, carry 1, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6, okay? These are they do it normally, all right? That's what they usually do. But I don't want to apply that, okay? I don't want to apply that method. What I want us to do is to break that into zero, because you need to know the tens and the unit. 27 is made up of 20 and 7. Okay, 20 and 7. So I'm going to write 20, then I'm going to write 7. Is it clear? 39 is made up of 30. It's made up of 30 and 9. Okay, so when kids break their values like this, okay, it makes them to get the answer very fast. Okay, so what we're going to do is say 20 plus 30. Obviously 2 plus 3, okay? 20 plus 30 is 50. So that's going to give us 50 plus, yes, 7 plus 9 is 16. You get, all right? 16. Now, I'm showing you from the beginning. That's why I'm trying to show you all the steps, okay? Ordinarily, I would have just go straight to the answers, okay? By the time they're used to it, they become fast. So for you to learn fast fingers, you have to start from the basic, from the base. So that's why I'm showing you all the steps, okay? But then, this is how you do it, very fast. Then what we're going to do is to go to 50 plus 10 and then plus 6. You see what I'm doing, right? I'm going to do 50 plus 10 plus 6. So if I have 50 plus 10 plus 6, what I'm going to do is to see how I can like add the 50 and 10 together. 50 and 10 together are going to give me 60. Is it clear? That's going to give me 60. And then plus the 6 that I got, okay, that's going to give me 66. All right? So obviously, I can get my value of this as was 66 in a very fast way. So let's say I want to do it very fast, like 27 plus 39. Okay, what I'm going to do is just say 20 plus 30 plus 7 plus 9. 20 plus 30, 50. 50 plus, 50 plus 10 plus 6, because 7 plus 9. Because 7 plus 9, your 7 plus 9 is 16. That's going to give me what? 50 plus 9, 6, and then give me what? 66. You can see it's faster, right? Okay, now let's make it faster, a bit faster. 27, let me write that clearly. 27 plus 39, okay? Obviously, I know a fast student will now say 20 plus 30, 50. Okay, 50 plus 9, 59. 59 plus 7, 60 what? 6. Okay, it's good. You can see that. So you start from the basic. When a child learns something from the basic, it gets faster. As we move on, it gets faster. So you just have to learn from the basic, and then by the time they understood what to do, that is all, they begin to fly with it. Exactly. So this is how I'm going to get this answer clearly. Okay, let's see another example. Okay, so let's take it to 3-digit numbers. Right, example 2. If I have 3-digit numbers, let's take it a bit bigger value. 127 plus, let's say 2, 3. All right, if I have values like this, 127 plus 235, what do I do? What do I do for a value like this? Like I said, breaking them into zeros, which I call it is what? 100. That would be 100 plus 200 plus 20. Are you following? Plus 20, you know what I'm doing, right? I'm taking these values now, plus 30, this number is 30, then plus 7, of course, and then finally plus 5. You get, right? So it's going to be easier for us to solve, all right? It's going to be a bit easier for us. Why? Because if you break them to 0, 100 plus 20, if you ask your kid, what is 100 plus 200? They're going to get 300. Right? 300 plus 20, 320 plus 30, 350 plus 7, 357 plus 5. They're going to tell you 3 what? 62 and not about, okay, stuff like that. So that way it will be easy for them to solve very fast. So what I'm going to get is 100, 300, 3, this is 320, this is 350. So I got 350 plus 12. And your 12 is broke into what? You can break your 12 into 10 and 2. You get it? Okay, so that way in their mind, they are using their mental stuff, right? It's a mental addition. So they think very fast and say, okay, 350 plus 10, they're going to give you 360 plus 2, 362, and they are done. Okay, so they're going to say, 362, daddy. The answer is 362, or the uncle, auntie, 362. And even as an adult, okay, you can actually break your values like this very fast, and you are good to go. You are very much good to go. Exactly. So these are to break your values, and then you are good to go. So let's assume we don't want to disturb ourselves, and with an exam condition, we don't want to start writing whatever, okay, and we want to use our mind to solve. What are we going to do? We say 100 plus 200. Okay, 100 plus 200 is 300 plus 20, 320 plus 30, 350 plus 350 plus 7. They're going to give you what? 350 plus 357 plus this, 362. Okay, stuff like that, and you are good to go. So like I said, 100 plus 200 plus 30 plus 20, all right, plus 30 plus 10 plus 2. How do I get 10 plus 2? Because 7 plus 5 is what? 10 and 2. Exactly. So this is 100, 300, 320, 350, 350, 360, 362. Okay, and you are done. Exactly. It's a mental mathematics. So this is a fast way to solve that maths. Very fast, okay, in an exam condition, and they are good to go. They are good to go. Exactly. So these are to solve questions like that. Now, again, let's try that again without writing anything down. 100 plus 200, 300. 320, 350, 357, 362. You are gone. Okay, 362. So a very fast student know that what this is 362 by just mere looking at it. So this is a fast way of solving mathematics. Is it clear to you?